So I'm the fastest man in the world. I've won gold medals, broken records, made millions. Life is good, yeah? I'm thinking, okay, now I need to invest this money smart, build my empire. So I hear about this investment firm. Everybody's talking about it. Legitimate, trustworthy, professional. I'm thinking, perfect. Let me put my money there and watch it grow while I enjoy life. I invested $12.8 million. For real. The fastest man in the world just handed over 12.8 million like it was nothing. Weeks pass. I'm feeling good about myself, thinking I'm being smart with my money. Then one morning I check my account. Gone. All of it. Vanished. I'm refreshing my phone like maybe the app's glitching. Nope. $12.8 million disappeared faster than my 100-meter sprint time. I call the company. Yo, where's my money? They're stuttering, confused, talking in circles. I'm the fastest man in the world, but apparently I'm not fast enough to keep up with where my money went. Turns out I'm not alone. Dozens of investors got hit. Some lost everything. And here's the crazy part. Nobody knows where the money is. The company doesn't know. The authorities don't know. They had to call in the FBI. The FBI. For my money, I went from world champion to just another victim in a fraud case. My empire? On hold. My dreams of growing my wealth paused. And that's when my real fight started, trying to get back what was stolen from me. The investigation starts. The FBI's digging, authorities are moving, lawyers are everywhere. Turns out this firm's been running this scheme for years. Money moving, accounts disappearing, lives getting destroyed. I'm waiting by my phone like a teenager waiting for a text back from their crush. Every day I'm hoping for good news. Every day I get nothing. Radio silence, my lawyers calling, any updates? Nope, nothing. I'm angry. I'm frustrated. I'm the fastest man in the world, but I can't outrun this situation. Then the news breaks, the firm shut down. Management knew what was happening and did nothing. Over $30 million stolen from more than 40 investors. 40. I'm watching the news in disbelief. How did this happen? How did nobody catch this? My money's part of that 30 million sitting somewhere I can't reach. Months go by. Meetings with lawyers, giving statements, joining class action suits. It's exhausting. Every morning I wake up hoping today's the day I get news. Every night I go to bed disappointed. But I keep fighting because if I give up, that means accepting my money is gone forever. And I didn't get this far by giving up. Finally, a year later, there's movement. Some funds are being recovered. Some investors are getting partial payouts. It's not everything, but it's something. I learned a hard lesson about trust, about doing your homework, about not putting all your money with one person or one firm. I'm rebuilding now, slower, smarter, more careful. And I'm telling this story so nobody else, athlete, regular person, nobody falls for the same trap.